Have you ever wondered about the secrets hidden inside your toy box? Let's explore how toys like Lego, toy soldiers, and rubber balls can magically transform into tools of incredible scientific discovery. You might be surprised to know that while you're having fun, you're also learning important principles of physics. Lego and building basics. Imagine building a colorful castle with your Lego blocks, setting up your toy soldiers to stand guard. It feels solid, doesn't it? But then, as you stack your blocks higher into a tall, slim tower, it unexpectedly tumbles to the ground. What happened? This is a great way to learn about something called compression, tension, and shear. These might sound like big, fancy words, but let's breaking them down in a simple way. Compression is like when you press on the top of a marshmallow so that it squishes. Tension is like when you pull on two ends of an elastic band and it stretches. Shear happens when blocks slide over each other, like cutting with a pair of scissors. The tower didn't fall just because it was tall. It fell because the load or weight wasn't balanced well. This balance is key in real buildings too. That's why architects have to think carefully when designing skyscrapers. Bouncy balls and energy adventures. Have you ever dropped different balls, maybe a rubber ball and a squishy one, and watched how high they bounce back? This is perfect for learning about energy. Each time a ball hits the ground, some energy is lost. Think about how different surfaces feel. A rough carpet absorbs more energy than a smooth floor. That's why balls might bounce lower on carpet than on a polished floor. This all has to do with a concept called coefficient of restitution, which describes how much energy stays during the bounce. By testing different surfaces and balls, you can observe energy conservation and energy loss in action. Isn't it fun imagining yourself as a little scientist? Experiments with toys. Every toy is more than just a fun object. It's a potential experiment waiting to happen. Next time you play, try using your toys as tools to learn. 1. Try organizing your Lego or blocks to see how different structures withstand forces. Experiment with designs, pyramid versus tower. 2. Record how different balls bounce on various surfaces. Try adjusting the height and observe changes. It's like being an energy detective. 3. Notice the difference in how toy cars roll over different surfaces. Does adding weight change the speed? By treating your toys as data sources, every game turns into an investigation, helping you understand measurement, experimentation, and the natural laws that govern real-world objects. The joy of discovery when you play with toys, it's not just about having fun, even though that's very important. Consider it your very own physics lab, where each discovery opens a door to learning and imagination. Toy boxes aren't just about games. They are about exploring the world in a new way through play.